To Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Avenue in the Lloydminster Border City. Today we are checking out this beautiful pre-owned 2018 Mazda CX-5 Sport. The exterior color is Sonic Silver, and under the hood we have a 2.5-liter engine paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission. At the front we have LED daytime running lights, fog lights, power side mirrors with turn signal indicator, a black grille with chrome accents, and an engine block heater. Over at the side we have 17-inch aluminum wheels wrapped in General Ultimax. We also have color-matched handles and mirror caps. This pre-owned 2018 Mazda CX-5 also comes with remote start and keyless entry. At the rear we have privacy tinted glass with embedded defroster, power release liftgate, and a rear camera with reverse sensing system. At the interior we have driver-friendly features such as power locks, power windows, our mirror settings, and door storage. As we move into the cabin you will see we have black leather seating with our adjustments on the side, as well as our option for a heated seat. Over at our steering column we have our headlamp settings, as well as our power, cargo access, and fuel remote release. We have a tilt steering wheel with our hands-free and media settings to the left, and our cruise control options to the right. Looking above, we have our rear view mirror and our cabin light settings. Looking forward, you can see this pre-owned 2018 Mazda CX-5 has 25,199 kilometers. As we look ahead at our center face, you will see we have options such as applications, which includes fuel monitor, traffic map, and vehicle status. This unit also has audio options, navigation, and other settings. Just below we have our climate control area, which offers air conditioning and heating to the entire cabin. And our middle console offers our gear shift, dual cup holders, media settings, and a ton of storage. At the rear, passengers have power windows, and our bench seating offers a ton of legroom and headspace. If there are any more questions about this beautiful pre-owned 2018 Mazda CX-5, do not hesitate to contact our friendly and professional sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions you may have. We would like to thank you for shopping here with us at Boundary Ford.